Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS cost and usage report. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is AWS cost and usage report? How cost and usage report works? Creating cost and usage reports. Usage cost and usage reports for AWS organizations. Querying cost and usage reports using Amazon Athena. Cost and usage reports integration with AWS Billing Conductor. So what is AWS cost and usage report? AWS cost and usage reports provide the most detailed set of cost and usage information available for your AWS account. This comprehensive data helps you understand and analyze your AWS spending in great detail. You can customize how the report breaks down your cost. Options include hourly, daily, or monthly breakdowns, as well as by product resource, or custom tags that you define. This flexibility allows you to view your cost in a way that best suits your needs. AWS updates these reports in your designated S3 bucket once a day. The reports are in CSV, which is comma separated value format, which is widely used and easily readable file type for data. You have multiple ways to access and analyze the data. You can use spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Apache OpenOffice Calc for visual analysis, or access the data programmatically using the Amazon S3 API for more advanced processing. Cost and usage report keeps track of your AWS usage and provides estimated charges for your AWS account. Each report includes detailed line items for every unique combination of AWS products, service, usage types, and operations you have used, giving you a granular view of your cost. So some key capabilities. First is S3 bucket delivery. So AWS delivers the report files directly to an Amazon S3 bucket that you own. This gives you full control over the storage and access of your cost data. Frequent updates. The reports can be updated up to 3 times a day, ensuring you have access to near real-time cost information. API management. You can create, retrieve, and delete your reports using AWS cost and usage report API reference. This allows for programmatic management of your cost reports, enabling integration with your own systems or third-party tools. How cost and usage report works. After creating a cost and usage report, AWS sends the report to your specified Amazon S3 bucket for storage and access. AWS updates your cost and usage report at least once a day, continuing this updates until your charges are finalized, ensuring you have the most current information. The report files consist of either a single .csv file or a collection of .csv files, along with a manifest file, providing a comprehensive view of your AWS cost and usage. You have the option to configure your report data for integration with powerful analytics tools such as Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, or Amazon QuickSight, which enables deeper analysis and visualization of your cost and usage data. So you can use the cost and usage reports part of the billing and management console to create the cost and usage reports, and you can create up to 10 reports for an individual AWS account. So how to create cost and usage report is you sign into billing and cost management console. You navigate to cost and usage reports. You choose create report name. You include the resource IDs. You can select split cost allocation data, and you can configure data refresh settings. Then choose next. Then configure the S3 bucket. So you can choose existing bucket, or you can create a new bucket. And then you review and save bucket policy, because it will apply some bucket policy to the S3 bucket that you have chosen, because it has to make updates to that S3 bucket. Then you enter a report path prefix where it should save in that S3 bucket. Then you choose time granularity, so hourly, daily, or monthly. Then you choose report versioning. So you can select overwrite or select deliver new versions. And you can choose data integration options. Finally, review all the settings and review and complete. So using cost and usage reports for the AWS organizations. So if for AWS, a single individual AWS account, it's pretty straightforward. But this is something to know for AWS organizations, which is multiple AWS accounts grouped together. So as an administrator of an AWS organization's management account is the parent account or the root account or the first account. You can prevent member accounts from creating cost and usage reports by applying a service control policy, SCP. This SCP blocks the creation of new reports but does not delete previously created reports. So in large organizations where we use AWS organizations, this is handy so that only people who have access should be able to create or modify the cost and usage report. So you can give permission based on the service control policy. To prevent the management account itself from creating cost and usage reports, you need to modify the IAM policies attached to the user roles within the management account, as SCPs only apply to member accounts and not to the management account. So the management account, which is same like a parent account, that will not, SCP will not work. So you have to modify the IAM policies if you don't want to prevent access to create a cost and usage report. But SCPs work fine with the member accounts, which are like child accounts. Querying cost and usage reports using Amazon Athena. So Amazon Athena, which is a serverless query service that can analyze AWS cost and usage report data stored in Amazon S3 using standard SQL, provides a way to query cost and usage reports data without creating a separate data warehouse. By using Amazon Athena, you can avoid the need to build custom data warehouse solutions for querying AWS cost and usage report data, simplifying the process of analyzing your cost and usage information. And it is strongly recommended to create both a new Amazon S3 bucket and a new cost and usage report specifically for use with Athena to ensure optimal performance and data management. AWS cost and usage report supports only the Apache Parquet compression format when used with Athena, and it automatically overrides previous reports stored in your S3 bucket to maintain up-to-date information. So this feature is handy if you want to use it. If you want to do some ad hoc analysis, you can integrate with Athena. Otherwise, you can use as it is. So this is some kind of a optional feature. Cost and usage report integration with Billing Conductor. So you can create pro forma AWS cost and usage reports for each billing group that you create in Billing Conductor. These pro forma reports follow the same format as the standard AWS cost and usage reports. The pro forma AWS cost and usage report shares identical characteristics with the AWS cost and usage report, including the same file format, granularity, and columns. This ensures consistency and familiarity for users working with both types of reports. Pro forma AWS cost and usage report contains the most comprehensive set of cost and usage data available for a given period of time. It provides the most extensive cost information and detailed usage data, which offers a complex picture of your AWS spending and resource utilization within the specified time frame. So actually just talk about, this is covered in Billing Conductor lesson also, but pro forma, which is a Latin term, it means as a matter of form or for the sake of form. But in business and financial context, it typically refers to financial statements or reports that are prepared using hypothetical or projected figures rather than actual historical data. So these documents show how a company's financial position would look under certain assumed conditions or future scenarios. In the context of AWS Billing Conductor, pro forma billing data refers to hypothetical or projected billing information based on customized pricing rules or structures as opposed to the standard AWS pricing. And Billing Conductor offers this feature called as pro forma bills, which are different from AWS bill, which is at the end of the month. So same functionality they have integrated with cost and usage reports. So you have pro forma cost and usage report. So let's say every day you are 3 times a day, every 8 hour or 12 hour, this will also update the pro forma cost and usage report. So you have pro forma bill, which will be which is for your, and sorry, one more thing, this pro forma bill and billing conductor is for marketplace channel partners or for large organizations who have, like, they are resellers who sell services or products to their customers, or for big organizations who want to segregate cost to their different teams. But this feature is available in this cost and usage reports also. So you have cost and usage report pro forma, which is kind of a hypothetical or projected figures, and this data can be used to basically predict how much you will have cost and usage at the end of the month, or you can have some kind of projection based on that. And that's all. Thanks for watching.